I'm on Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. I just checked in. This is, I think, the third sailing out of the U.S. In room 11070Z. This is just a standard sea terrace, and we have bands that we will use to unlock our door. And this is what you see when you walk in. We have, let's see if I can back out. There we go. A closet space. Well, it just has no closet doors, but like a curtain for your closet. And then we do have a door here. And just, there is a hairdryer up there. And then just empty space down there. So, how many hangers? Not a ton, but maybe 8 or so. We have most of our bags, but not all. I'm actually on here with a friend. So the beds do separate, but it's kind of different than a regular cruise, or I shouldn't say regular cruise, than other cruise lines. This end right here will actually swing to the side and go this direction, which even if you're sailing with a spouse and you want to have a bed shared like that, they can move it so that you have like a couch area to sit on during the day. But we are asking our room steward to switch it so that we have separate beds since I'm on with a friend. Let's go back here and look at the bathroom. Makeup. And the shower has a nice door. Let's open it. Oh, it opens the opposite way of what I thought. Hold on. Not gonna lie, it's kind of a tight bathroom. I mean, I know cruise bathrooms are small, but it is tight. We do have a fridge, but we opened it earlier and there was nothing in it. We also have a touch screen, which we can use. I haven't used it yet, so I'm not going to touch it, but I know that we can let our room steward know if we need anything. There's some storage down there and a seat. Not sure what that guy does other than just sit there. Oh, the phone. I thought this was kind of funny. We have not used that yet either. And our balcony, a nice sizable balcony, which look at the pretty curtain. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, the balcony is nice size, and we have a hammock, which is awesome. And I have not opened this yet, so hopefully it works on the first try. And it doesn't. Hold on. All right, I figured out. The knob has to go all the, or the handle has to go all the way up. So pretty good size. We're in the Port of Miami. All right, that is it. 11070Z on the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady.